Hey everyone. So what we have here for today's tech news and talk, which been meaning to make a video on this quite some time, which if you haven't really heard the news recently, which we're going to be talking about one other little topic, but this is one of the main topics that majority of us already know, that Windows 10 is going to be no longer supported on October 14th, 2025. Although Microsoft is encouraging people that are running Windows 10 to upgrade to Windows 11 as their recommendation. But however, if you're still running Windows 10, your computer will still work just fine, but the only downside is you won't be able to get no new programs or any updates for that matter. Which Microsoft is not really forcing, but they're trying to get everybody to upgrade their Windows PCs that are not running Windows 11 to Windows 11. But some computers, on the other hand, can't run Windows 11, and some people don't really have the money to upgrade to Windows 11, despite time being running out. Even though there's a bunch of articles talking about the Windows 10 end of support. But there's for those of you that can't afford Windows 11 or buy a whole new computer to run Windows 11, you do have the choice of, there's always Linux, which you could try Ubuntu or any other Linux distro flavor, any flavors of Linux that are based on the Ubuntu family. And there's other popular Linux distros like Linux Mint and Kubuntu. But some versions of Windows 10 for corporations, they can still get the paid support, which is like an extended security update program, which is basically somewhat short term. And the problem is, if you're running Windows 10 on the internet, you can still most likely would get a potential security threat or face any kind of viruses that can damage your computer, though. Because I know Microsoft at the time was offering a Windows 11 upgrade for computers that can run Windows 11, like if you're still on Windows 10. But one roadblock that while a lot of people can't run Windows 11 on their Windows 10 computers is not having TPM 2.0. Or just have weak specs like low RAM, or not a decent CPU that can handle Windows 11, despite Microsoft bumping up the minimum requirements for Windows 11. And plus it does use up a lot of RAM, so 8 gigabytes wouldn't be able to truly handle Windows 11 for heavyweight applications. Then you have to have an internet connection to set up a Microsoft account if you're using the home version of Windows 11. But at any other rate, Microsoft is actually retiring Skype sometime in May 2025, so they're encouraging people to switch over to their Teams app, which you can get Microsoft Teams if you got the full version of Microsoft Office, whether it's the standalone copy of Microsoft Office or through Microsoft 365. But another alternative you could either use is Discord, which I've been making a transition to Discord. So you guys can let me know what you think of Windows 10 support being ended and with Windows 10 support being retired and Skype being fully discontinued in May 2025. And I hope you guys find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.